stable. If you felt the earth shake this evening, well, you are not alone. A little after 7, most of Maine and much of New England shook as a magnitude 4.0 earthquake rattled the area. Police departments were inundated with calls, but so far, no major damage reported. The town of Poland sent us this video as the quake hit.
What is that?
An earthquake.
That's what that is.
Oh my God.
Yep,
I've never felt one in my life.
that's crazy.
And the reaction was similar across the state tonight. News 8's Paul Merrill is live tonight in Lyman near the epicenter with the very latest. Paul.
Well, Tracy, the epicenter was not too far from here, just a little bit outside of Hollis Center. Luckily, no reports of any injuries, no reports of any serious damage. Just a lot of people tonight talking about something that normally doesn't happen here in Maine. The people inside Saco River Martial Arts weren't ready for the hit that knocked their trophies off the windowsills at about 7:15 Tuesday night.
Didn't know it was an earthquake. My first thought was with all the trucks going by here on 117, I thought maybe a truck had gone off the road or maybe it was even hitting the building.
It was an earthquake, magnitude 4.0, centered right outside Hollis Center. In nearby Buxton, tremors rattled everything inside the Timberline Country Store.
The whole building is shaking. I thought a trailer truck was going to come pulling through. Beers are rattling around on the cooler shelf. I mean, that was about it. It scared me quite a bit, and as well as the other customers that were here. I thought something blew up.
No one was hurt and nothing broke, but earthquakes are not everyday occurrences here in Maine.
Lived in Maine my whole life. I've never felt an earthquake.
Very wild. Yeah, I don't know if we'll ever feel that again.
Carrie Yescott was watching her daughter play soccer in Waterboro. The coaches cleared the field when everything started to tremble.
The ground just literally started shaking, and you could actually hear like a rumble. And I happened to be sitting right next to one of the light stands, looked up, and it was just like shaking.
Pretty crazy. People beyond New England talking about this earthquake, and people beyond New England feeling this earthquake. The USGS says tremors were felt as far away as Albany, New York. Live in Lyman, Paul Merrill, News 8.